In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to provide a direct download link to a file hosted on the Files tools in HubSpot. First, open your browser and head to your favorite search engine. Type HubSpot and open the official HubSpot website. If you aren't already signed in, log into your account. Make sure you're using an account with permission to view and share files, since your ability to access file tools depends on your user role. Once you're in, look to the main navigation on the left side of the screen. Hover to reveal the menu and locate the content area. This is where HubSpot groups tools related to your site's assets and media. From there, click Files. The Files tool is your central library for images, PDFs, documents, and other downloadable assets you've uploaded to HubSpot. In the Files dashboard, browse or search for the file you want to share. When you find it, hover your cursor over the file row to reveal extra options, then click Actions. This opens a menu with several ways to work with the selected file. From that Actions menu, choose Copy File URL. This immediately copies the file's public URL to your clipboard. This link is the one you'll use when you want people outside your HubSpot account to access the file directly. Depending on the file type and browser, it may open in a viewer or begin downloading, but this is the shareable link you'll paste into emails, buttons, or chat messages for external audiences. A quick tip: if your organization requires files to be private, check the file's visibility settings in HubSpot before sharing to ensure the link will work for your recipients. You'll also see an option called Share Internal Link. Click this when you're collaborating with teammates who have access to your HubSpot portal. The internal link takes colleagues straight to the file's location inside the Files tool, complete with its details and management options. It's perfect for reviews, updates, or when you want someone on your team to replace or rename the asset without downloading it first. With the link you've selected copied, paste it wherever you need it: an email campaign, a support response, a Slack message, or a document. For a cleaner look, consider adding the link behind descriptive text like "Download the PDF." If you're sharing the public URL, a quick test in a private or incognito window can confirm the file opens as expected for people outside your account. That's it. You've navigated to HubSpot, opened the Files tool, grabbed the direct file URL, and learned when to use the internal link instead. Thanks for watching, and happy sharing.